Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the Bluetooth button to appear up in the menu bar on your MacBook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by just selecting the Apple icon up at the top of our menu bar, and then select System Preferences. You want to select the option that says Dock and Menu Bar. And then select Bluetooth on the left side underneath Control Center. And then check mark where it says Show in Menu Bar. You may have to give it a moment here. And once you check mark that, and then once you're done with that, if you close out of here, you'll see that the Bluetooth icon should be available up here in the top of our menu bar. Bluetooth is not currently connected, but you can see this button is right here. And if you were to turn it on, you just toggle that to the on position. So again, very straightforward process here, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.